Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to create an AliExpress affiliate account and get affiliate links. First, open AliExpress on your PC, then scroll down and click on the affiliate program. You can promote, earn, and grow with AliExpress affiliate program. You can earn commission from orders you bring to AliExpress by joining the AliExpress affiliate program early. With 150 million plus affiliate products available, you have the opportunity to earn up to a 9% basic commission rate in over 200 supported countries and regions. Get commission by bringing orders to AliExpress with just a few minutes of daily work. You can earn up to an additional 4% commission rate for promotions that surpass targets on our incentives program. Now you need to create an AliExpress affiliate account. First, enter your email address, then click on continue, enter your password, then click on register. Here you need to verify your email. Enter the 4-digit code which they sent to you to your email address. Open your Gmail and open the email they sent you for verification. Now copy the code and put that code in the provided field for verification. Click on Verify Email. Here you need to enter the basic information. Enter your contact phone number, then enter your social media platform. Next, you need to enter your social media account ID, then enter the code that they sent you to your email in the email verification code section. Now copy the URL of your social media accounts like Facebook. Put it in the provided field, then select how you heard about them. Select an option like whether you want to subscribe to the AliExpress's portals, newsletters, then accept the terms and conditions and click on Next. Now select the network from here, then select the channel type. Enter the site name, now enter the site URL, then select the category. Next, select the traffic source area, enter the description, and after entering all necessary details, click on Submit. Now your AliExpress affiliate account has been created. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next